This is Arshad Nadeem of Pakistan. It's low in the back, but he's put that through the point and it's flying long. He's screaming at it to go further. That's enormous. That is a colossal effort for Arshad Nadeem by his standards. The Pakistan national record, 86 metres 38 from last year. Nadeem has produced a beautiful throw in this first round to ask questions of athletes who've won major championships over the last 10 years, all waiting for their throws. It's 86-81, a new national record in the first round for Nadeem.
Is his fifth attempt. Manish has already recorded a personal best. Can he do that once again? Get better than his personal best. Have to see where that lands. It's unbelievable! Arshad Nadeem has just become the first man from South Asia to cross the 90-meter barrier. This is incredible! Arshad Nadeem
in Birmingham at the Commonwealth Games.
वापस आ